Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this look for you guys. It's really perfect for spring and summer because it's nice, bright, juicy lip. But I'm really concentrating on the eyes today and how I create my wing liner because I actually use just shadow most of the time. A nice black shadow and a good brush, and this is how I create my wing liner. I get so many questions on how I create my liner, so I wanted to really show you guys how I do it and bring you up close and personal and really teach you guys how to create the perfect wing liner. So that is what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. So I hope that you enjoy, and if you want to stick around to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Tarte Cosmetics Tarte Lip Palette. The first shade I'm picking up is Wanderer. I'm going to start with my Sigma E38 Diffused Crease Brush, and I'm just running the shadow back and forth through my crease. Whenever I'm doing a simple look like I am today, I like to still pop something through my crease just to give my eyes a little bit of more dimension and shadow through the crease area. Whether I'm using bronzer or just a shade like this, I always like to pop something that's a few shades darker than my skin tone through my crease. Now for my liner, I'm picking up Fashionista. I'm using the EO6 Wing Liner Brush by Sigma, and I'm first going to create a line towards the tail of my brow. And then I'm going to create the shape of the wing, and I just start at the base of that line at the end and then create a line going down. And I like to stop that right there. I used to bring it much thicker into my inner corner, but I realized this kind of shape of the line where it stops in the middle of your eye and then thins out gives you a really nice winged out cat eye effect. So then I'm going to take this brush and just create a really fine line on the inner corners of my lid. And then I define that line right here. And then I'm going to start filling that in. This brush is so amazing for creating liners. I always use a shadow most of the time. Sometimes I do use a liquid liner or a gel, but I find that with shadows it's so much easier, and if you mess up you can kind of just buff that line away and then redo it. To tightline, I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. And then whenever I'm doing a liner, I always like to line my upper waterline with a black liner to make sure that you're not going to see any skin peeking through the lashes. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going into the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder in You Glow Girl. And then with my Sigma F70 Concealer Brush, I'm just going to tap this highlighter into my inner corner. I always like using the highlighter that I'm using on my cheeks, so that is what I have on my cheeks now. And I feel like it just kind of ties in the entire look, plus it brightens up the inner corner, makes you look really nice and awake, and also creates that nice cat eye effect with bringing in that highlight in the inner corner and then having that wing on the outer corner. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to these MAC Cosmetics lashes in number 76, and that's the eye look done. So obviously you can do any shade of lipstick with this look, but I want to do something that's really fun and bright and springy and summery. So I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics Cashmere Cream Comfort Lipstick in Hustle. I used one of the Cashmere Cream lipsticks a few videos back, and I think I used the shade T. And I told you that was the first time I was using it, and I was going to keep trying it out to see what I thought about it, and then we'll let you guys know what my thoughts were. So I'm here now giving you my thoughts on the Cashmere Cream Comfort Lipsticks by Benefit. So I wore it in that video, and then I ended up taking it off probably like an hour after, so I couldn't really get a good feel for it. But then a few days later, I wore it from 7 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. So over 12 hours, and it was amazing. So shocking. I'm like in love with them now. The formula feels so comfortable. It honestly feels like you have barely anything on your lips. It doesn't feel drying. It doesn't give you like that crepey feel that you get with some liquid lipsticks when they're super drying. It wore amazing. It lasted the entire day. I ate, I drank, I spoke, I did everything you can imagine, and honestly, it lasted the entire day. Didn't even budge, didn't move at all, and it looked as if I just applied it. And I am so happy with that and so excited that this lipstick was so amazing, and they're so affordable and so comfortable and long wearing and transfer proof and matte, and I am in love. So I'm going to be using this shade. So I've never tried this shade out, so I'm curious to see how it is because I've tried the nude ones out, but I haven't tried a colored, bright colored one. So let's see how this is. And that's it. This is a completed look of my wing liner and bright lip makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's so perfect for spring and summer because the lip, honestly, you can put any lip you want on and it will look amazing. A red, a nude, a brown, a black, a pink, an orange, anything, and it looks so good. This is the eye look that I do all the time when I'm in a rush. I pop this liner on in probably like a few minutes and then I'm good to go. The brush makes such a difference. I'm telling you, this brush right here, it's tiny but mighty. It is so amazing. It creates the most perfect, effortless wing. You can't even mess up with it because it's so small that you get to be really precise and detailed. That's why I included this in my brush set, because I knew that this would be a go-to brush for liners to create that inner corner wing on the inner corner, to cut out your cut crease, how I do it, to fill in your brows. Honestly, you can do so much with this little brush. That's what I'm saying. It's tiny but mighty. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products that I use today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And also don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the bell button to make sure that you get notified whenever I upload on YouTube. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!